you watch over me and I promise to give you something nice to eat? Yeah?
Somewhere in this sea here, my father died. And I never knew him. Oh my God! Hey! Help! Costa, whatever your name is, stop!
Давай сюда! Аккуратней!
Что с ней?
Dear friends, welcome to the Moscow Circus!
Why do you take such risks, Wanda? Who needs that kind of bravery? I know he doesn't love you.
I know as well. I still can't believe it. I met her at the cat monastery. She thinks she's my guardian angel. What do you think?
I love you. I can't live without you, Jane.
You haven't met Alex, my daughter's fiancé. They're getting married in a week's time.
Wanda! Wanda!